Okay, Mr. Sherman, Joe, how are you? We are loading the bees into the flow hive bottom section. And when the bees have fully filled out this box, get yes, then we will put the flow hive on top of it. So it's not time to put the flow hive on top. They have to build out an entire 8 frames to be able to make the honey that will be in the flow hive box down here. So it will come, it'll just be a little bit longer, but you see how we have to put the frames in for them to completely fill out this one box. Then we'll put the queen excluder on top, and then we will put the honey box on top of that. And so that's when the honey will come in.